How do you handle an influencer wannabe? Before all this TikTok social media craziness, my 16-year-old daughter Susie was the kindest person, the type of kid who'd help elderly neighbors with groceries. Ever since she downloaded that app, she's become someone I couldn't even be proud of anymore. At first it was just dance videos and makeup tutorials, but when her small little prank content got more than 100 views, she turned into an absolute brat. She'd film strangers without permission, shoving the cameras to their faces and making scenes. Every conversation became about the algorithm and gaining followers. I just couldn't understand why her whole personality had to change for other people's entertainment. Unfortunately, her pranks got worse every week. She'd pretend to faint in grocery stores to film people panicking. She'd put fake roaches on restaurant tables to film the management's apology and laugh about getting free food after. She'd loudly fake phone calls about embarrassing medical conditions next to studying students at the library. The worst was when she filmed herself putting fake money in homeless people's cups just to film them looking happy, then crying from the false hope. Two friends cut her off after that, saying that she had gone too far for content, but she didn't get it. She called them jealous and insecure over her growing fame as an internet prank star. I didn't realize how far she'd take things until one day, when we were headed to the mall, Susie decided